Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to even the skin tone. So if you have been having difficulties on how to match skin tone on your image, this video is for you. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So when I'm done retouching, so you guys can see this is the before and after of this group here. The next thing is to even the skin tone, and what I'm going to use to even the skin tone is the gradient map. So I'll come down here, then I'll select the gradient map to do that. So after clicking the gradient map, if yours doesn't show like this, don't worry. So I'll just turn off the visibility of that gradient map. Then I'll come and change this to classic, the method to classic. So I'll just click on the gradient map and I'll come to this basic, then I'll change it um, from, no, I'll just change it from foreground color to background. So once I'm done, I'll come here and I'll just click on another dot. So for the location, I'll make it stand at the middle. So I'll just select, sorry, so I'm just going to select 50 for that. So this first box right here is for the skin shadows. So, and this one on this middle is for the mid-tone, and the one right here is for the highlight. So for the shadows, once you click on this box, just like this, then I'll just select the color right here. Then I'll get to this image. Anyway that is dark, I'll select that as the shadow. So I'll just pick this as the shadow. Sorry guys. So when you want to work on that, you just make sure you select this gradient map, not the mask here. So I'm just going to come here, then I'll just select this. So you saw the way I picked the shadows. It did not pick because of way I selected, which was the mask, not the main gradient map. So to select the shadows, I'll just select here so you guys can see, and I'll click OK. So I have my shadows here. So for the mid-tone, I'll come and select this, then click on it. So I'll just look for a place that is the mid-tone here. So here is the mid-tone, and I'll just click OK. So I select that as the mid-tone. Then for the highlight, I'll just come here and select it. Then this nose or here, whichever. So I'll just select this as the highlight. So once I'm done with this, I'll just hit OK. Then I'll come here and I'll open the visibility of it so you guys can see how it's looking. Then I'll change this blending mode to soft light. So after changing it to soft light, you see how it's looking really saturated, but you shouldn't worry. So I'll just come and select this mask. Then I'll just press my Command I. So if you are using a window, you just press on your Control I to invert that layer mask. After inverting this, I'll just come and select the brush. Then I'll right click on the brush and set the hardness to 50. So I'll hit OK. Then I'll just start painting on just the skin area. So I'll just start doing that just like this, and make sure the foreground color is on white, just so I can unveil what's on the black layer mask. I just paint this like this. So while painting it, you need to be really careful, just like this. So you need to be really careful while doing this. I'll just paint this like this. So you guys can see it's just the skin, and make sure the subject eye is not included, and also the lips. Should be really careful with that. So you just paint this. So it has entered the eye now. So to take it off, I'll come and select I'll make this to black, then I'll just paint it off here. Then I'll come back and change it to white, and I'll continue painting in the area I want this effect to be added, just like this. I'll make the brush bigger, and I'll just paint this off. Then you need to be careful, as I said earlier, and this this is a tutorial video, that's why I'm really fast like this. So when doing yours or while practicing, you should be really careful with this. Make sure it does not enter the nails. As you can see, it's just the skin. I'm just painting it through. I'll paint this other area. Sorry guys. I'll just do it just like this, and I'll come here and I'll pick this. So once I'm done, you can now see how it's looking really saturated, so you shouldn't worry. And once I'm done, so you guys can see this is the before and this is the after. So I'll come to the opacity, then I'll now take this opacity till when I see it's okay. So I think 40 is fine, but you guys can see how this place is looking. These are hair area. So to just paint this, it's looking pretty much more obvious. So I'll come and I'll take this hardness to 0. Then for the opacity, I'll use 80. Sorry, for the opacity, I'll use 80. And I'll change this to black. I'll just paint some of it off here, just to make it look more natural. So once I'm done, you guys can see the before and this is the after. So this is the before and after. Take this the middle, the before and after. So if you think it's too much, you can reduce it. If you think it's not okay, you can still increase it till when you are okay with it. So for this video, I'll just use it at 40. So you see the before and this is the after. So this is how I tend to even or match my skin tone while retouching or after retouching. So this is how I got to set the skin tone. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'll be dropping more helping tutorial videos, so that once I drop, you'll be first to be notified. So thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.